This year's Harambee Festival, we had a little over 60 plus vendors. That's with everybody from the colleges and schools to the food truck to the merchandise. We have a little twist. We have the Magic Moment photo booth here for the guests to take pictures.
To the loose kid checking in, the illustrious Florida A&M. Today we're at Harambee Festival. It means pull us all together, all right? Nobody left behind. Community event for the people, and just glad to be here.
I'm super excited to be here supporting FAMU. They do such an amazing job every year with hosting the Harambee Festival to bring unity in the community.
The importance of Harambee is to share the black culture. Looking at Harambee here, FAMU style, you can't go wrong. People come from everywhere. It's more like a family reunion.
Well, it is great to be the mayor of Tallahassee today and be out supporting FAMU and the Harambee Festival. Listen, anytime we can get together and celebrate the African-American art, history, and culture of our community under the theme of unity in the community, it is a win-win-win.